Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a method for making money online and from home, which is without doubt one of the easiest ways anybody can get started online and from home. You don't need skills, you don't need any experience, and here's the cool thing. If you set this up correctly, it can bring you in a passive income. And even more awesome than that, if it gets any more awesome, is we can use free tools and free resources for this whole method. So in today's video, please watch it till the end, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on some of the steps. I'm going to share with you some different Chrome extensions which are free. I'm going to share with you a free piece of software, and I'm also going to share with you a free website. And if we use all of these three things together, we can start to build a passive income. Now, I'm doing this method myself, and I'll also share with you the potential of actually how much money you can make with this, because it's awesome. It genuinely is an awesome method for making money online. So if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you have any comments, leave them down below. But let's jump into the laptop and I'll just walk you through this simple method to make money online. Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video, as mentioned, I'm going to share with you this awesome method for making money online and from home. And for this, we don't need money, we don't need skills, and we don't need any experience. And the cool thing about this whole method is we're going to use free websites and a Chrome extension, which will help us get more ideas around this whole method. Because look, this is an incredibly awesome way for making money online. If you set this up correctly, it can bring you in a passive income. And we can use this with things like Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all of these sorts of, seasonal events. We can use this all the time, okay? And look, quick side note, the Not Taught at School University has just launched. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link to this down below for you. Over in here, we have all the modern methods and ways for making money online and from home, whether it's starting an online agency, making money with YouTube, printables, TikTok, affiliate marketing, creating your own course, Fiverr, e-commerce, social traffic, and lots more. It's awesome if I do say so myself. So let's go ahead and look at this method we are talking about today. So over on Etsy here, I've just typed in Halloween candy corn guessing game. Now, obviously, Etsy's brought up all of these different results here, okay? Now, I wouldn't just go ahead and, go into this blindly. I use a free tool, and I'll share this with you now. So you see up here, I've got this extension. It's called Alura. So let me show you the website. And again, I'll drop a link to this down below for you, so you can go ahead and get this yourself. But basically, look, all you need to grow an Etsy business. Now, basically, if you don't know, the reason why we use Etsy and we use this at the same time is because once we upload one of these things over here onto Etsy, it becomes essentially a passive income resource for us. And what does that mean? So let me go into any of these. So I'll just go into this one here and I'll show you what I mean. So over here, we can see this print junction here. They've had 7,000 sales inside of their shop. Now, what are they uploading on here? Well, we can see here, look, this is an instant download PDF. Now, how long do you think this will have taken to create? I can tell you, probably about 15 minutes from start to finish. It's absolutely straightforward and simple, and I'll show you the free tools and resources for this. Now, if we scroll down here, we can also see, look, it's a digital download, and if you buy this, you get a PDF. So the owner of this shop here, they've gone ahead and created this product here, this PDF, and they've uploaded it onto Etsy. When somebody buys that product, the owner of this shop here, this print junction, their work is done. They don't have to deliver the products because it's an instant download. They don't need to worry about messaging people going backwards and forwards, and they don't need to worry about receiving payment because Etsy handles all of this for them. Now you can see here, look, we've got this one, this one, this one, and this one. So they've got 4 different listings along here, all at £3.35. So that's about, what, $4.50. But if you look at them, is this different to this one or this one? No, it's not. All they're doing is, look, they're just changing a couple of images around on here and they're changing the colour of the text, and that is it done. Now, inside of this shop over here, they have got 7,608 sales. And these products down here, these are on the low end, look, £3. If we come down here, they've got bundles. So what they're doing is they're taking, a couple of different items and bundling them together, like this one down here, £12.45. But even if we was to take this on the low end and go with this price down here, this $3.35, and we was to times it by this over here, let's just do some really quick math just to give you an idea of this, okay? Because this is genuinely an awesome method. So £3.35, and then we're going to times that by the number of sales, so times 7608 times 7608, 25,486, and that's pounds. So if we just very quickly take this over to this one over here, because I know many of you watching prefer to see things in dollars, so we'll come over here and we'll put pound sterling in here. So this shop here has earned $27,000 uploading PDFs, essentially, over here onto Etsy. It's insane, isn't it? That's just one shop, by the way. But let me come back over here and I'll show you this. So that's one shop we've had a look at. Scroll further down the page here. I mean, look at this one here. Halloween candy corn guessing game. And it's the same concept. They create these products once, they upload them, and it's an instant download. And what do you get with this? So you get this here, and then we get some of these little printouts here. And this is it. And then all of these here, these are just images. Okay? Now this shop over here, I mean, look at this. They've had 55,000 sales. Again, it's an instant download, and it's a PDF. Now, if I scroll up here, I said to you about this piece of software over here, this Alura. It's awesome and it's absolutely free to get started with. If I come over here to pricing, I'll show you this. They do have paid options, but as always, like I say, you don't have to start with these. You can go with this over here, the free forever plan. This allows you to do product research, and it also gives you access to the back, the back office, okay? And then what happens is once you start to make some money, you can upgrade to the starter plan or the professional plan, okay? Now I have this one over here and it's absolutely worth it. But let me show you what it can do for you. So if I come over here, now I'm on Etsy, you see up here, if I just click on this link here, what it's going to do now is it's going to analyze all of the information on this page, all of the listings, all of the prices for me. It will show me the total number of sales, the average monthly revenue, and lots more information on here. So basically, you go ahead, you create an account with Alura for free. Once you've connected the Alura account to your Etsy shop, you then get an extension up here. And then what happens is whenever you're on Etsy, you just simply click on this and it will bring up all of the information for you on page 1 of Etsy. Now sometimes it can take a little bit, somewhere anywhere between 1 to 4 minutes for this to load up because it's pulling all of the information from Etsy onto here for you. So I'm just going to leave this loading, but you can see now we're starting to see this. So we can see that this one over here, this Candy Dice game, this is the average price. 132 people have favorited this. They've had 30 sales so far. We can see this one down here, look, it's had 49 sales. So this information is pretty good. But the other thing what I like about this is, if I wanted to create something like this Candy Dice game up here myself, if I click on here, it's going to open up and then it's going to show me more information about this. So you see over here, it's given me all of the tags. So if I was to create this myself and upload it onto Etsy, I now have all of the tags that this product is using, and this forms part of search engine optimization. It's one of the things you need to be doing when you're on Etsy. We've also got all the information here, and if I scroll a bit further down, I can get more information. You can see like about the shop and stuff. The other cool thing is if I just click on this, it would open it up. So we've got all of the tags here, we've got the title, and we can see the product, okay? Absolutely awesome. So let me click on there and close that one down. But like I say, all I'm doing with this Alura thing on here is I'm just having a look on Etsy to see, what's selling, and basically trying to get as much information from any of these listings on Etsy, because like this one here, for example, this candy corn guessing game, I can see the price, I can see they've had no sales. So if I was to click on there now, I could go into there and have a look at this and see, these tags here, they're not relevant to the actual product. So I wouldn't be using tags like this in my listing. I would be coming up to this one. Where's it gone? This one up here, which has had 30 sales, I'd be using their tags. Well, not their tags, but I'd be using these tags over here, because we can see it's very relatable to the title and the actual product, and they've had sales. So this is all good stuff, okay? So how would we go ahead and create something like this ourselves? Well, we'd use a free piece of software, and it's this one over here. It's called Canva.com. I've shared this with you many a times before. It's an awesome tool and resource, okay? So let's see if we can create something like so. Candidize, Let's come over here. So for this, what do we want? So I want a PDF. So let me just go to, I'm going to type in Halloween. I'm going to see if there's anything on here. Halloween PDF. And it will bring up any template. So what on earth is that one template? Have I spelled that incorrectly? Because I'm terrible. I have spelled, Halloween PDF. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in Halloween. And I'm going to search to see if Etsy have already got any Halloween templates. Now you can see on here, they have got up here 10,000 different templates related to Halloween. Now, up here where it's got this pro sign, this is the paid version. So obviously on the free account, you'd want to be going with any of these where it doesn't have the crown, okay? So what category do we want this in? So do we want this in any of these? So let me click on view more. T-shirts, I mean, that again is another option. Worksheets, Facebook covers, all of these different things on here, we could, use this sort of stuff over here for this. You can see there's loads. So I'm going to click on document. Let's go with a document. And well, look at this, we've already got some ideas on here for us. See? Not difficult, is it? So we could come in here and looking at just some of these templates over here, we could use these and bundle them together, okay? So let's just get started. We will go with, let's have a look at the original one. Candy dice. Let's scroll down here. Have we got any that's similar? No, we haven't. So bearing in mind, this is just a template. So I'm just going to click on here and we'll open up the free one. And all we would do here is we would try and get our PDF here as much like this one over here. We wouldn't copy this, obviously, but we try and, we know that this product is selling. We know that we can see the title, we've got the tags. So can we create something similar? So let's go ahead and have a go at this. So first of all, I'm going to need some of these up here. So I'm going to come over to elements and I'm going to type in pumpkin, like so. And we've got different pumpkins on here. So I'm going to do this really quickly, okay? I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to get another one. And I'm going to shrink it down like so. I'm going to move that over here. I'm going to shrink this one down. And I'm going to move that over here, like so. If I don't want these, I can just get rid of them. So let me click on delete. So I've got two pumpkins, okay? Let's go back over here. And then we've got this in the middle saying candy dice. So I need to come and get some text. And on here, I'm just going to click on add a heading. And that's gone over there like so. So I'm just going to type in candy dice. Now, come back over here really quickly. We can see their text is a bit different. So we'll come on here and I click on text. And then I can go down here and I can change this to whatever text I want. There's hundreds of different texts that you can use in here. If I want to make this text bold, I click on here and I make it bold, like so. Go back over here and then just have a look at this. So look, they've got dice down here and other bits. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to go back to elements, I'm going to type in dice. And I've got some dice on here. So I'm going to bring this one over here, I'm going to shrink it down like so, move it over to here, and then what did they have? Take one candy. So then next to this, I'd go text, add a subheading, drag this over here, take one, type in over here, take, I've done it the wrong way around, haven't I? Take one candy. That's that done. And I put that over here, like so. But look, this is the process. I would literally go ahead and find something over on Etsy. I'd search for things in the search bar, and then I would use the Alura extension over here, the one that we just had open, this one over here, to go ahead and see which actual items are selling, and also come down here and I'd also get the tags, and it's awesome. And the reason why I like this method is in an instant using this extension up here. I mean, you can export this as well, but you can scroll through and you can see, I've done this in the past. I've seen some designs on Etsy. I thought, oh, that's pretty good. But then when I've looked at it, they're not having any sales whatsoever. So in that example, I wouldn't bother. But looking at this over here, I mean, look at that. What's this? Halloween, guess how many? This is it. But we can see they've had 49 sales. from this item over here. They're selling it at this amount of money over here. I've got all the tags on here. I've got their information, so I could go ahead and create something like this because look, we're looking at what's proven to be selling on Etsy. We've got the tags over here, so we can use these in our own listing, and we can create very similar things like this using Canva over here, which is absolutely free. So look, I will drop a link down below to Alura for you. I'll also drop a link down below to Canva, and we'll also include a link over to the university because obviously inside of here we cover printables in here. We go over everything, including setting all of this up, putting your listing on Etsy, how to get traffic, different softwares, free resources, and lots more. But look, that's today's video. So if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But overall, I think we can agree it's simple, it's easy, and we're using free resources. So look, if you have any other questions, please let me know. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.